Hello friends, you are watching Pharma Informative. Who do we talk about? Can most strangers go in the world? The idea of strangers go can be controversial and often depend on a variety of factors, including training, environment, and individual temperament. However, some breeds are frequently increased secret due to this friend size or history. It's important to remember that any goat, regardless of breed, can be friendly and well-behaved if properly trained and socialized. Here are 10 breeds often mentioned as potentially dangerous, who may are actually quite gentle and blooming with the right fear. Number 1. Pitbull Terrier. Pitbull is an umbrella term of sports several types of dog believed to have descended from bull and terriers. Known for their strength and determination, pitbulls can be aggressive if not properly trained or socialized. But many are affectionate and loyal pets. American pitbull terriers are known for being tenacious and determined canines. Number 2. Rottweiler. The Rottweiler is a domestic dog breed considered medium to large or large in size. In German they were called Rottweiler Missioner Hydra, meaning Rottweiler butcher's gold, because they were primarily used for herding livestock and pulling carts, big butchered meat to market. Powerful and protective Rottweilers can be tracked if not trained. They are known for being good family dog when properly socialized. Number 3. German Shepherd. The German Shepherd, also known as Austrian in Brecken, is a medium to large size work dog breed from Germany. It was developed in 1899 by Max von Stephanikis, who used his traditional German Herding dog to create the breed. Originally it was bred for herding sheep in Kalacheng and Vorstadt. German Shepherds are used in police and military roles. They can be protective and sometimes aggressive if not properly managed. Number 4. Bull Mastiff. The Bull Mastiff is large Mastiff type of dog breed from England. Known from its solid build and short muscle, was developed in the 19th century as a guard dog by crossing the English Mastiff with the non-extreme Old English Bulldog. The breed was officially recognized by the Kennel Club in 1924. With the large size and strength, Bull Mastiff can be intimidating. They are generally gentle with the families but need proper training and socializing. Number 5. Doberman Pinscher. The Doberman is a medium to large German breed of domestic dog belonging to the Ingolstadt. It was first bred around 1890 in the Thuringia by Louis Doberman, art tax collector. The breed is known from its long muzzle, and it is arguably characterized by a smooth, graceful gait. Known for their alertness and loyalty, Doberman can be aggressive if not well trained. They require fame and consistent honor. Number 6. Akita. The Akita is a large Japanese dog breed that originated in the mountains of northern Japan. It has a short double coat, similar to many other northern spirits breed. Traditionally, Akita was used by Megadai hunters for graduating and bear hunting. Akitas are strong and independent dogs. They can be allowed with strangers and require proper training and socializing to be well adjusted. Number 7. Alaskan Malamute. The Alaskan Malamute is a large dog breed originally developed for its strength and endurance. Primarily used for hauling heavy freight as a sled dog and also a hunting dog. It shares similarities with other Arctic breeds such as a Husky Spitz, Greenland dog, Canadian Eskimo dog, Sabin Husky and Samoy. Large and strong, Manroops are not typically aggressive, but can be challenging due to their high energy and strong break drive. Number 8. Boxer. The boxer is medium-sized mischief dog. Breed with a short arm. Develop in ancient many scores, scored, smooth, and close forgive. And it comes in form or bringer with or without white marking. The Liberty driver or simply Labrador is a number 9 the Liberty driver. The Liberty driver or simply Labrador is a British breed or retrieval gun dog. It was relevant in the United Kingdom from a St. John's water dog, which was important from the colony of Newfoundland and named after the Labrador goat region of the colony. Number 10. This Jiangzhou is split stripe of dog breed. Originally from northern China, the Jiangzhou is short, clear beard dog, square in profile, with a broad skull and small, triangular. It ups its ear with long tip. The breed is known for a graphic and silver coat that is Ida's motto row. Again, the behavior of an individual dog can be influenced more by its upbringing, training, and environment than by its breed alone. Proper care, socializing, and responsible ownership are key to ensure any dog is well behaved and safe. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.